Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, you guys, happy 2020. This is the first video of this new year, this new decade. So let's jump right into this video with some inspiration. Let's undecorate, put Christmas stuff away if you haven't, and let's redecorate because obviously we can't leave our house looking so empty after the holidays, even though I enjoy a very simple look right after the holidays. So I'm gonna be sharing with you how I redecorate for the winter time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so let's jump right into it. You can see it is teamwork. The hubby and Jaden are my boys. They help me so much. So here we are just putting things away. That's the first thing I did. 2 days after Christmas, I decided to put all the stuff away. This is the first year that I put my Christmas decor away so soon. I didn't even wait for New Year's. And the reason why is because we are under construction. Hence, that's why I have no boys. The dust has been triggering my asthma. So I was like, you know what? Let's put all this stuff away and start deep cleaning this house as soon as possible because the bathroom renovation is really taking a toll on me. So guys, during the holiday season or even during the weeks or whenever I feel like I'm gonna have too many company, I always put the covers on my sofa just to avoid stains and stuff like that because I do have a very light color sofa and I got that cover from Amazon. I will link it down below because it's amazing. The price is super affordable and it looks so good on too, by the way. I don't know about you guys, but I have the best little helper ever. Look at my little Jay. He loves cleaning, you guys. I don't know why. Don't even ask me. Maybe he sees me do things and his daddy, but he enjoys cleaning and helping out. I hope he never changed because, hello, we need all the help we can get. So after I vacuum the entire living room, I move on into mapping the floors and, cleaning the mirrors, cleaning the fireplace, and just dusting, you guys, because the amount of dust that was at my house from the bathroom renovation was insane. Hello, look at my favorite map ever. I love this thing. I will link it down below as well. Makes life so much easier. New year, new rock, you guys. I am so in love with this new rock. It is from boutiquerocks.com. I will link all the information for this rock down below. You guys, when I tell you it matches my decor to the T, like the grays, the nudes, it is just a perfect combination of my neutral decor. Also guys, it is so soft. I don't know if you see Jaden, he didn't want to come out of it. Like we were trying to straighten the rock and Jaden was just like, no. He loved it, you guys. It is so soft to walk on and it looks amazing on. So for my living room decor, I wanted to do like winter whites. I usually love going with white for the winter time. I just feel like it's so pretty and cozy at the same time. So mixing different texture makes it super cozy in here. I have these oversized pillows that are 24 by 24 that I purchased on tjmax.com online and I love them. They're super soft to lay on as well. From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the buying so many pillows because I am running out of storage. So what I do now, I like to find beautiful covers, so pillow covers. So here I found this beautiful tester white pillow cover from Amazon that I will link it because it's so pretty. Comes in a set of 2 for like less than $15, I believe. The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah.
signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be.
So for the coffee table, I also wanted to keep the neutrals, you know, mixed with the metals, the whites, the marble, stuff like that. I also wanted to display a bunch of white candles because they look so pretty light up, you guys. I think it's a perfect decor for the winter time because it makes the room super cozy. To finish styling my sofa, of course, I'm gonna add my fur throw because it's so luxurious and it just makes the room look stunning. Other side of my living room, all I did was clean my accent chair, add some new pillow covers as well, but I didn't do nothing to my mantle. I honestly want to enjoy the clean slate before we jump into spring decor.
Can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat.
Guys, I'm loving the transformation. All I did here was change the window treatment and add a new rock, and look how stunning my living room looks. It looks like completely transformed, you guys. Up this beautiful window treatment from Home Goods. They're so pretty. When I saw them, I was like, I need to have them. They were $50 for a set of 2.
You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
I'm so in love with this rock, you guys. I'm like, oh my god, it's everything that I wanted for this space. It matches the space so well. Check the description box for more info. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope this video gives you some motivation and of course inspiration to redecorate for the winter time and to undecorate and put away all your Christmas stuff if you haven't. I'll see you all in my next video. God bless.